also I'm making a vlog, so let me know if you're comfortable being in it or not.
Soho's that way.
That way, okay.
But
I feel like this is my vibe. So I'm here with Hakeem, my friend from New York City, and we're heading to Insomnia Cookies. Hello. Yeah. We have the cookies. White chocolate macadamia nut. So yeah, I'm gonna try it. What camera is this? And what's your name? David. Left Hakeem. I'm now on my way to Union Square Park. So I was just at Washington Square Park. Yeah, headed to Union Square Park to meet Tony, and I'm gonna be grabbing some food stuff. It's the first time, and yeah.
All right.
JFK on our way to North Carolina, on our way to Raleigh, dropping off this one onto big things, you know, new city, new country. So yeah, that's what we're headed to. So I knocked at the door, you were standing with a bottle of red wine, ready to pour, just in a long black satin, rest to the floor. So I went in, let me sat down, start kissing, caressing, told me about your boots, it sounded interesting.
Stay on ice
So
road. Ensure the passengers are fully compliant. Use crosswalk.
Anything else in the world, if there is money, because there is a lot of money,
a lot of investors,
it's public, but
we made it to UNC. Moving in. This is a room tour. The feng shui is a bit off, but we'll figure it out.